Hey YouTube, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm just now getting off of work, as you can see, but we finna garden, okay? So I have to plant a couple of flowers because my mom, she wants some flowers like in her flower bed. Come on, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about. So she want me to plant some flowers. So these are the flowers that I'm going to be planting that I got her for Mother's Day. So yeah, I cannot wait. So let me just line them up all right here. Move my glasses out the way. Y'all, aren't these pretty? Oh my God. And then I just got this one. I thought it was cute. It's kind of dying, y'all, so I gotta like plant these today. I'm like, listen, today gotta be the day where I plant flowers for her because I'm like 2 days late. So yeah. All right, let's get started. Whoops. Hold the layout. So far, okay, so this is one. First one that I planted. They're so dirty from gardening. That's so disgusting. In the washing machine.
Like, that's what I want. Like, I'm missing out on all of this stuff.
It's okay, Justin. Okay, so I'm about to try this viral pizza. And the reason why I'm like 7 years late is because all of the Subways don't carry pizza. Like they stopped selling it at certain ones. Why do my eyes look like that? Like I'm so sorry, y'all. I'm tired. Like I said, I worked and then after work I went to go and garden. Not why do I is that considered garden, like planting flowers? Anyways, I planted some flowers at my mom's place. Oh, but yes, I the reason got off of work. I just did my laundry. I just gardened. So I made it home. I grabbed some Subway, and this is the viral pizza. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. It looks so good. This is the viral pizza. So, like I said, I'm going to try to vlog every day for 15 days. Put myself up to the challenge. I really, really like content. I like being creative. Like, it has really changed me for the better. I just want to challenge myself. What's wrong with being better? What's wrong with striving to be better? So, I got my, what is this? Ginger ale. This is my ginger ale. Gotta have a straw. So, ooh. So yeah, we about to dig in. Hold on. We about to dig in. So good. If y'all see the balloons behind me, my son, he just had his birthday party. We celebrated it last Friday. So today is Monday. Okay. So today's Monday. Today is Monday the 19th. Okay. So I'm going to be vlogging for 15 days. Today is the 19th. So this is day one. So, like I said, I'll try this pizza. Oh, let's see. Let's see. Ooh. Mm. The crust is good. The flavor is good. I tell you, this is so good. Like the pizza dough is so good. Mm. And it's 4 slices. Okay. And this was $12.17. Okay, $12.17. So it was worth it. It was worth it. So rotisserie chicken. It has rotisserie chicken on it. It has banana peppers, bacon, black olives, red onions, and ranch. Mm. Mm-hmm. This is really good. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. 10 out of 10. Yes. Mm. It's my first slice still. This is really good. They really need to start having these at all of the Subways, not just some, like all of it. Look at that. It's so good. Like, I'm not kidding. This is really good. I never would have tried their pizza had I not seen the TikTok the viral pizza. Had I not seen the viral pizza, I would have never gotten the pizza. Mm-hmm. So good. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. The ranch, the chicken, and the banana peppers is really making it. It's really making it good. Mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm.
2 hours later.
This is about to be my last slice, and then I'm gonna just go ahead and what I gotta do? I probably have to fold some clothes, but I have to try this. It's so good. I never would have thought of this combination. I never would have thought of it if it wasn't for me searching up different recipes for meals or dinner. And I'm getting tired of like making the same thing for my family. Like the boys, all they complaining about, oh mom, you cook spaghetti so much, and it's like okay, but it's gonna last us for a few days or a couple of days. Excuse me, a couple of days. Because I mess with my own spaghetti. My own spaghetti it be busting. It hits every time. And chili. And then yesterday I made some meatloaf. That was so good. They left no leftovers. I wanted to take some to work for lunch, but it was already gone. But man, this meal is so fulfilling. I'm not mad at it. Okay. So that is a wrap. If you want to see more content, just stay tuned. That's all you got to do. And I didn't record like the first half of my day because, like I said, it's a challenge. So I'm probably going to squeeze, morning routines, night routines in here. I've already vlogged a day at work. So I might do one of those again. But I didn't record me at work earlier because excuse me, like I said, I already have a video on that. So if you want to see that, go and check it out. It's there. I posted it. It's there for you to watch and enjoy. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank y'all for tuning in, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye. Oh yeah, I forgot to show y'all my nails. Isn't it cute? They're so pretty. So I'm about to go to sleep. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.